Hello class, Mike Simonson here. I'm the opportunity to introduce this module and to actually prepare the materials for this module of 9300 of this class. Module 3 deals with approaches and methods of the instructional technology and distance education scientist and researcher. I hope you like my fancy display board here. This is something that works just as well as a more sophisticated kind of graphic, so I thought I'd use it for this little series of videos. And there, by the way, this is the first of 5 short videos dealing with this topic. As you probably know, I'm a full-time program professor in the instructional technology and distance education. I guess I introduced this course to you, and I will come back at the end of the course to talk about Unit 3's topic. But to introduce this module, there are a series of topics that are presented. The first is terms and definitions, and there are some terms and definition, including an introduction that I'll give you about why terms and definitions are so important to us. Then we'll move into what I call the Magnificent Seven, the strategies of the ITDE researchers that, when included, are likely to make that study stand out, to be exemplary, to be one that will be read and will have an impact. And to go along with that, we have the 7 red flags, ideas that might not be as successful, might be, but ones that we need to take a second look at before we routinely investigate using the approaches that these 7 red flags talk about. And then we'll talk about the SAGE publications, the guides for how we conduct research. We are instructional technology and distance education specialists. We're not psychometric specialists. In other words, we're not measurement or method specialists. We have to be, to a certain extent, because we are scientists, because we are researchers. But generally what I do and what you will do is you will find a very specific guide, what I like to call a cookbook, possibly from a company called SAGE Publications, that give you step-by-step procedures about how to conduct your doctoral dissertation research. This module fits into the other modules in this unit, and obviously fits into the other modules in the other 2 units of the course. So I hope this helps. Let's get started right now. You might want to investigate the rest of this module. Have fun.